everything. Literally every flavor we have now. 18? Have 18 different flavors on this side. You got 14.
Cool. Yeah, I'll do a little longer one too, yeah. Full tour, yeah. Which ones are you making now?
So I just did sugar right now. I'm just refilling.
Yeah.
Peanut butter. I'm going through each one that I'm missing in the refrigerator. And depending on what they have over here, by the time I'm doing this, I might show them more.
Alright.
Restock, just filling it up. So
These are the peanut butter ones you said?
Okay. Combine them. My refrigerator in here is almost empty. This is how much dough I run through.
Wow.
This is filled to the top, from front to back.
When do you guys start?
I'll be here like 5:30.
Alright.
And I'm done baking by this time. So basically, I'm done baking everything we need until they need more.
Alright.
And I'll be done that by like around this time. The windows be done by 7. The backups be done by 9:30, and the restock be done by 10 to 10:30. So by 11.
You're in restock mode, or?
Yeah, I'm in restock mode. So once I'm done this, most likely because 11 and 12 is when we get our lunch rush. So now, if I'm done baking, depending on how busy it is, I can help.
All right, cool.
It's like a team player thing.
Yeah.
Like, let me finish this first. So that now if somebody need to take a break and we ain't got a lot of people, so I come in. This is rotate.
He knows what he's doing.
This is how many boxes I run through in a day. Sometimes a little bit more, depending on what day it is. It's Wednesday, so I ain't have to do a lot. But later Thursday or Friday, it's a little bit more than that.
These are the M&Ms or what? Yeah.
I opened the box, but I got 6 in there. Look, I got 3 in there, now I'm scrambling. So it's easy. It's 20 on the tray. You know how to count? That's your 20 right there. It's 30 on. It's 30 in the like in a box on one sheet. It's 30 on one joint. So if you take off 10, you got your whole tray. So yeah, I do 10 on one side, and then I pull a whole sheet out. That's 40 cookies. $30, $10, $40 all together. 2 trays, so you gotta keep reaching your arm inside the box. Chocolate nugget right there. Oatmeal orange cranberry. Blueberry, come on. Play the weight game because this is it.
You wanted to toast them out a little bit?
Say it again?
Did you wanted to cook them a little bit longer?
Yeah, no, yeah, because sometimes it'll, like, all right, it'll look like that in the middle, but if you got a brown outside, what I was taught was sometimes you let it sit. Before you put it under the fan, you let it sit so it'll cook on the rack. So you don't want to overcook, whereas it'll be burnt. But if you leave it on there while this is still hot, it'll still give it a little bit of
Yeah, toast it out a little bit, yeah.
Yep. I wouldn't even need it for a minute.
Yeah, this is awesome.
You have to bring him some lunch or something.
This is fun. This is the fun part that I'm done.
Yes.
This is close to the end. So you see it? Now they got a little bit browner. While you sitting them on there, by the time we come back to them, they're gonna look like probably closer to this one now. And you got some that take a little longer.
How long do they sit for when you take them out?
So they're actually cool. You can sit them on, like, depending on if they need them fast. Like if they don't need them right away, you let them sit there and let them cool completely, so they be easy to pick up off the sheets. But if they need them like right away,
You take them out hot?
no, we don't take them out hot. I give it about a good 5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes without I got the angles for the fan, so the fan be hitting me.
Okay.
Probably cooling a little bit faster. 5 minutes.
How long have these been sitting out for?
Nah, this big.
Oh, okay.
So I use probably 15 minutes. So
Alright.
I cool on one side. This is how I rotate the cookies. I rotate and cool on both sides. So when I bring it to them, ain't half the tray ain't hot, the whole tray is nice and cool. Yep. See how it's browning around the ends? Once you set it over there, because it's at the bottom, all the heat from the tray will make this cook. You feel this just by putting your hand on this, it's a little warm.
Okay.
Yeah. Because it's in front of the fan, but the lower you go, it's gonna get hotter.
Yeah, okay. You're back on chocolate chip duty here?
Say it again?
These are chocolate chips?
Yes. Now this, I gave them this morning. They have 4 monster trays. Monster trays is basically you bake a box and then you stack them on top of each other as many as you can.
These are the most popular then? They just, you burn through them?
Run through them. This is how bad we run through them. We got 1 chocolate chip, 2. We got 1 over here, and depending on if it gets busy, we might have to take this out of the refrigerator and bake it. But it don't always get that busy.
Will you prep? These are prep for tomorrow, or?
No, these are prep just in case. These
Okay,
are basically these are for tomorrow. But if they need to take them out before tomorrow, like if they're running out of stuff and I'm not back here, or they don't have somebody that's sufficient, throw it in.
Okay.
Throw it in.
Yeah.
Everything's already, you know the time is 7:03 or 7:04, and then you just refill it when you finish.
Cool. Right on, dude. Hey, well, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for showing me this
No
stuff.
problem at all.